There we go. Done and done. From my other video, that one that didn't make it. I'm back up here. There we go. There's my window. There's my handle. Shelf. Just used handrail support brackets. One there, one there, one there. Shelf on the side. I don't know what that's for. Shelf on that side. I moved the grate that way. But yeah, I'm excited this turned out all right. Yep. There's my hook. There's my hook. There's my hook to hang up your good stuff. And there's the shitter. And here's my window. Pop that bad boy open. I mean, come on. Well, you can't see the river, but it's right there. Anywho, yeah, it'll be nice sitting here this fall and do a little hunting. And here's my old shower. Tarp with 3 trees. That's falling apart. It's run its course. Campsite's over here. Nobody can see. And let me go show you the outhouse. A dear old friend of mine, Pat Chandler, is an artist. He made me this out of 3 pieces of driftwood. Excuse me. Yeah, see? There's the eyeball. This screws the eyeball. 3 pieces of driftwood. He whitewashed it, and we hung it up here. Kind of looks like a fish. Yeah, I got my light. Hey, look, another skylight. And there's male or female, or everybody in between. Gotta have the moon in the door. But yeah, there we go. Fiberglass reinforced panel, white, cleanable. I got my elongated bowl. There's my 1/4-inch Dow styrofoam set on the toilet seat so your butt doesn't stick to it in the wintertime because it gets cold up here. There's my skylight. Another dead buck. I got my little mirror in here. And my old homemade cedar toilet paper holder. And broom holder. And of course my donation box on the back of the door. It says, well, you can read it. Find it hard to rid your pockets of spare change? Try wiping your ass with your hand in the dark. I got an old light fixture up here. Wired right in. Got a plug in here with a nightlight. And if you're lucky enough, when you open the toilet seat, you see that big old Polish head. First you gotta have Jimi Hendrix. And people with dead fish, dead deer pictures. Yeah. Anywho, there we go, man. Luther Rama.